Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are working on a GSXR 600 today. This is Kai's GSXR 600. It's overdue for a valve adjustment. So we might actually end up pulling some cams off today, which would be cool. So far, just taking the tank, battery, seats off, blah blah blah. Just get an idea of what we're doing. So far, this looks pretty damn good. Like, the tank was the easiest thing I've ever taken off my entire... Actually, easier to take the tank off than it was the seat. So, first time working on a GSXR. Super clean bike. Taken care of. Should be fun. I'm excited. Really curious to see if we find something, because, like, there is just something going on. It might not even be valves. Might see, like, something loose before we get there. K&N filter. I wonder if this is aftermarket or if this comes with it. Interesting. Same old shit. Same shit, different day. That setup. God, you do have to give them credit. Like, they did. This bike is built well. How? Everything's coming off easily. Like, it's well designed. Everything you take on and off, like, kind of just makes sense before you take it on and off. So we're at top dead center. Line up, little line on the gear with a little spine, little rib that's right here on the casing with the line. And then this left exhaust camshaft, this little cutout is facing 2 o'clock, and this little cutout is facing straight 12. Yeah. So, pull that. What's in? That's gonna be cylinder 3, A and B.
Both
Probably
0.14.
both 0.14, yeah. Okay, this is where we're at. She's open. We checked everything. Valve clearances look good. He's a little bit tight on cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 on the exhaust side, but still within spec. I recommended that he basically, because these could also just be 21. I think it was just that close. I recommended that he just kind of let it do its thing. He's got 22,000 miles on the bike right now. I said he's probably got another 8,000, so I would say wait, around 8,000. If you've got no issues, don't notice the bike running poorly or anything like that, around 8,000, wait till the next interval to check the valves and go from there. Because I could change it right now, but Daniel liked to point out that sometimes if you try to fix something that's not really broken, you end up just making it worse anyways. So going off of that logic, we're not actually going to pull the cams out on this, which sucks because I really want to pull the cams out on it. It'd be fun. We ended up having to lower the radiator, so we bought some more coolant, top it off with some more coolant, throw it back together. He's noticing an issue with how it drives, so once we get everything back together, I'm going to test ride it, see if I can figure out what's going wrong with it. The only theory right now is maybe a clutch issue. Spark plugs look good. Don't see anything weird in the engine. Oil looked decent last time we changed it, so I don't think there's anything really wrong with the tune. Everything from the top end of the bike looks healthy. Nothing, no major bad sounds. So 22,000 miles, original clutch. Wouldn't surprise me if something's wrong with the clutch. Okay. And she's done. She's together. We're about to test it, see what happens. But she should run. Yeah, put it together. Nice and clean and ready to go. Give her a test drive. Make sure everything runs good. Yeah. Trying to find out if it's coming from one side or it's kind of stick right in the middle. So sensitive. It's weird, it's almost like it has a firing order to it. Like it's different to the, you can hear like the cam spinning. I can hear the cams, but whatever noise that is, it's almost like I'm hearing each cylinder do it. Okay, so basically it's only doing the clicking at idle and when I come off of the gas, which means that it has everything to do with some sort of vacuum system, basically. Nothing to do with valve train. I didn't really think about it until we did the valve adjustment, but needed valve adjustment anyways, so you know, it's not that big of a deal. We'll figure it out. Had to put my helmet on to give it this an actual test though, and my gloves. I hate riding without my gloves, especially on a bike I'm not used to. It might need a throttle adjustment. I think I made it a little too sensitive. I can't remember. I'm not really sure how. I tried to put it on the same way, but I don't think I did. I'm not used to how the clutch normally feels, you know what I'm saying? So it's hard for me to rip on it and know if the clutch is slipping. It seems to, it pulls, but it also revs higher. It revs a lot more than my bike does, so I'm used to seeing more torque and seeing the torque earlier than this. Alright, I think she's good. I'm going to recommend doing a clutch just in case. I'll ask him a couple of questions about his bike just to see if we're on the same page. But I think he just needs... we do a clutch anyways.